Welcome back, heroes. This is Sub-Zero back again with another video just for all of you guys. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I just want to say happy Mother's Day to any mothers that are currently watching this video and all of your guys' mothers that are out there. We would not have this world if it weren't for the beautiful mothers that do what they do and the hard work that they give to their sons, their daughters, and their kids, and all of the family members and friends that they have in the world. So one more time, I just want to say thank you to all the mothers out there. I can now put the Sub-Zero plates on the back of the Vette. That's right, I already went to the DMV, already got all the paperwork done, everything is all set. So that's right, guys, we got the Sub-Zero plates. Oh, I need to turn down the bright. So that's right, y'all, we got the new Sub-Zero black plates matching with the carbon fiber. It looks so much better than the original white. It just makes it look more mean. And now when people are following me, they'll be able to see Sub-Zero to advertise the channel, advertise what we're doing. We're gonna be growing this thing. Like I said, we just passed 16,000 subscribers. And it's all because of all of you and the hard work that you guys put into watching my videos. I have so many hundreds of hours of videos watched. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because this world needs heroes and we all have the power to be one. Let's get it. Peace. But sadly, I know the reason why maybe some of you clicked on this video was because you saw the title. Yes, yeah, man, it was all bad. While I was doing the time attack event, we actually had bent the front left and the rear left wheels. I really would love to be able to tell you guys exactly the times I ran at the time attack event, sponsored by Nitto and with Driving Line. Man, I PB'd. And I am so excited just for the footage to come out. Again, you know, when it comes to shows and TV things, I can't necessarily tell you how I did or what happened exactly. But I went so hard, I actually bent the front left and rear left wheels. There was actually a pothole on the track coming into the pits, and I had went over it. Some of the concrete had gotten damaged, I guess, so I went right over it coming into the pits, and that's when I actually had damaged my wheels. I was able to hit up BC Forged. They're gonna be sending me 2 more wheels, the rear left and the front left. But also shout out to my boy Koa, his Signature Wheel. Maybe you guys have heard of him, Signature Wheel Domestic. They do a lot of wheels and a lot of great, awesome stuff. So these are actually going to be my daily wheels on the car. And when I get the signature wheels for the Vette, I'm gonna have those be my racing wheels. Really excited for the wheels that they're gonna be. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love them. They're gonna be the SV. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love these wheels. They're gonna be the SV501 series, matte black. You know, I'm going with the orange and the black and the red theme. So I really wanted to get that matte black, that race look. Gonna get some stuff done, gonna get some more things done to the Vette. Got a lot of awesome things coming with Competition Carbon. Like I said, we saw the front bumper coming. We got the wheels coming. We got some other stuff coming. I'm gonna have a livery kit coming for the Vette. So this is gonna be, keep the orange, but just add some more flair to it, aka Top Gun. But yeah, overall, man, I miss driving this thing. I haven't really been able to drive it the last few weeks. I know a lot of you guys like the POVs with this car. I'm going to be doing a lot more POVs with this, especially since I don't have the Subaru. I do want to also start doing a lot more car reviews. I'm just doing more reviews for the car. As you see, I got lots of parts in there, lots of pieces, airing this car out. But man, this color is just unreal. In person, I'm not sure if you guys can really tell. It's a little dirty, but man, just like the flakes. And it's just so aggressive, man. Like, you know, I love this Subaru. I love this Subi, don't get me wrong, but I mean, when you have something like this and what I have coming next to the channel, I do want to build a community Subaru build. So that way, as a community, we can choose what we're gonna do on the car, and we can truly build it the way that we would like to build it. But dang, man, these wheels are in great shape too. Like, I might just take these in, you know, even when I get the new wheels, and just try and see if maybe I can get these, you know, the bend out of them, just so I can have them as spares. So that way I can have these 2 as spares in case something happens to the wheels, and I got the racing wheels. But we'll see, man. Like, it's crazy. I just kept racing. Like, honestly, I kept racing. I felt some vibration, but this car, y'all, is so tuned in, so dialed in. It's so perfect as far as the suspension, how it drives, how it rides. It's just absolutely fantastic. All right, so we got both plates here. They're a little dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them and pick whichever car plate I like best. I'm gonna put that on the back just so it's a little cleaner. But let's go ahead and wipe this down real quick. All right, I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but this definitely looks more black. Definitely doesn't look as beat up. This one is a little bit lighter. I'm not sure if you guys can really see the difference on camera, but the left one definitely just looks much more clear. This one's got a little bit more scratches on it. This was the one that was used more. So we're gonna go ahead and put that one on. Ooh, that looks so much better. I even took off the Charger's plate frame. I just thought having the all black to match with the carbon fiber just was a more clean look. Even kind of cool that the red tow hook even matches the red right there. But yeah, man, if y'all see me, wave, say hi, stop by, check out the car, Sub-Zero. So y'all know it's real. Got Sub-Zero coming. Like I said, we got another build of the car coming. Man, lots of great things are coming to the car. But yeah, y'all, lots of amazing things are gonna be coming to the channel. Just, I know I've said it a few times, but man, like, this journey has been unreal. The Subaru was a big reason why I know a lot of you guys are here with me. I hope a lot of you guys continue to support and stay with me through this journey, through phase 2 of what we got going on for the YouTube channel. And just want to say I appreciate everyone for supporting and helping us build to 16,000 and beyond, guys. Road to 1 million and beyond. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. I know it's a short video, not much going on, but just had to give you guys an update on exactly what's going on with the Corvette. I'll check out that Subaru video. It's going to be linked up above or in the video before it. If you guys want some more content in the Corvette, hang with me. There's going to be more stuff coming. Like I said, I got 2 different sets of wheels coming. Going to be trying to fix these wheels as well, and lots of new parts and pieces are going to be going on the car. Next video, I should be getting my full exhaust system. So the AFE, X-pipe, headers, you know, I got AFE intake coming, so I'm gonna do a video talking about the parts when I get those. But until then, y'all, be safe, stay true, and let's have a great time, y'all, and happy Mother's Day. Peace.